Hiya.
Andi, Cath, hi.
Hello.
Hi.
Thanks for showing us around your space.
That's easy.
So, what are you currently working on?
Currently, we're looking at post-Brexit cultural town twinning. That's an interest we've long had.
What's your proudest work?
I think bringing Reckless out to Folkestone after 2 years hard work.
How would you describe your work in 3 words?
Tiring, rewarding and passionate.
What tool of the trade can't you live without?
Microphone leads.
Why do you do what you do?
Because we want to engage with the community.
Who inspired you?
My parents.
I think for me, it's Punk and Scott Walker.
Who do you like collaborating with?
Loads from Deptford Vinyl in London to Jazz House Copenhagen and Blue Note in Dresden. They're 3.
What's the best compliment you've ever received?
Oh, women say that they always feel really safe in the line bar, day and night.
What's a negative comment which spurred you on?
You'll never
Tontown
make
Street, you'll never make it.
What's your current goal?
To be in the top 5 live independent music venues in the UK.
If you weren't doing this, what would you do?
Hollywood star, Bollywood will do.
Ambler.
Why Folkestone?
Oh, it's brilliant. It's lively, it's by the sea, it's garrulous, and people say yes.
What advice would you like to give others?
Be brave, stick at it,
And passionate.
Yeah, passionate.
What would you like to say to the Folkestone community?
Tar.
Definitely thank you.
Andi, Cath, thanks very much.
Thank
It's
you.
been a pleasure.
Cheers.